Must try crispy honey sriracha salmon bites. Let's go. 1 salmon fillet. Prep. Remove skin. Chop into desired nugget size. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Put salmon bits in a bowl. Seasoning time. 1 TB's Italian herb seasoning. 1 TSP lemon pepper seasoning. Pinch of pink salt. Mix, mix, mix. Pour breadcrumbs into a